In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-assign tickets in Zendesk. We'll walk through creating a simple trigger that automatically assigns incoming tickets to the right person or team, so you don't have to do it manually every time. First, log into your Zendesk support dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the rocket icon, which opens the Zendesk Admin Center. Go ahead and click that. This is where you configure the behind-the-scenes rules that control how your tickets behave. Once the Admin Center opens, focus again on the left-hand panel. Find the section called Objects and Rules. Click it to expand the options, and then select Triggers under Business Rules. Triggers are automated rules that fire when certain conditions are met, which is exactly what we need for auto-assignment. In the Triggers page, move your attention to the top right corner and click Create Trigger. This opens the trigger editor, where we define the logic for auto-assigning tickets. At the top, you'll see a required field for the trigger name. Enter a clear descriptive name here, such as auto-assign email tickets or route support tickets to Tier 1. A meaningful name makes it easier to find and manage later. Just below, there's a description field. This one is optional, but it's good practice to briefly explain what the trigger does, especially if multiple admins work in your account. Next, you'll see the trigger category field. Click it and choose which category this trigger should belong to, such as a general support category you already use. If you don't see a suitable one, you can create a new category from the options. Categories help keep your triggers organized as your setup becomes more complex. Now it's time to define when this trigger should run. You'll see two options: meet all of the following conditions, or meet any of the following conditions. Choose all if you want every listed condition to be true before the trigger fires, or any if just one matching condition is enough. Click Add Condition. A category field appears. Click it and choose where the condition applies. For example, ticket, then channel under ticket. This lets you narrow down tickets based on how they were created. An operator field will appear next. From the drop-down, choose how the condition should behave, such as is not, is one of the following, or is none of the following. Finally, a value field will appear. Click that and select the specific value you want. For example, email, if you only want to auto-assign tickets that come in via email. If you need more conditions, click Add Condition again and repeat the same process. You can mix and match conditions to fine-tune exactly which tickets are affected. Once your conditions are set, scroll down to the Actions section. Click Add Action. You'll see another category drop-down. Choose where the action applies, for example, ticket, and then select Assignee. This tells Zendesk you want to automatically assign the ticket. A recipient field appears. Click it and choose who should receive these tickets. This could be a specific agent or a group, depending on how your Zendesk is structured. If you want multiple actions, like also setting a priority or adding a tag, you can click Add Action again and configure those in the same way. When you're happy with your conditions and actions, go to the bottom right of the editor and click Create Trigger. Zendesk will save your new rule, and from now on, any ticket that matches the conditions you set will be automatically assigned according to your chosen action. That's all you need to start auto-assigning tickets in Zendesk.